Yeah. So I've worked with almost 200 speakers in the Manosphere at this point. Psychologists, dating coaches, authors, Navy SEALs, like all kinds of people for 15 fucking years now. And, a small percentage of them, 97, 98% of them are amazing men that I have positive long-term relationships with 5, 10, 15 years at a time, right? Like
Yes.
really serious shit. These are men I'd literally take a bullet for. If I
Yes.
had to, I would take a bullet for you guys.
Yeah.
Partly because I'm just younger than you and I'm probably going to survive better than you would, just to be honest. But I really would. I really would.
Yeah, that's real.
But there's a couple percentage of these guys that are, by statistical probability, just going to be fucked up scumbags. And that's what you see in this wing of the Manosphere. And that's why the MGTOW dictionary guys are so riled up. I'm sure they could do a show just shit talking anybody, right? They could pick on anybody for any fucking reason they want. But what do? They target the same guys over and over and over again. The fucking MLDs and the Rollo Tomasis and the Coopers and all these fucking losers.
Yeah.
They go after the same super toxic element because they're so fake and they're phony. They're politicians. They're not Manosphere leaders. They're not authors. They're not content creators. They're frauds, they're phonies, and they're fucking losers. And those dudes, those MGTOW fucking black pillars, these hardcore fucking weirdos, they know, because I guess they're about as fucked up as the Rollo guys. That's how they spot them. Takes one to know one. That's why they're fucking, there's like a little miniature civil war going on. I think it's beautiful. It's a great thing, man.
Yeah.
It's like the Manosphere cleaning itself, right? It's cleaning itself out.
Why is everybody so I'm going to say, why is Donovan so concerned about everybody getting along? And he talked about the end goal, but I don't see a unified end goal from a content consumer, not a content creator.
I thought you were gonna say con artist for a second.
Yeah.
No, it's all fake. I mean, John Samez and Coach Greg Adams talk about unity, and they're serious and they're sincere and they're genuine. And I'm in that camp. If people hate me for doing what I do and this and that, I'm taking bullets and knife stabs and bombs from the back all day long, whatever, man. But those guys, their head and their heart is in the right place. But the guys like Donovan and Rollo and these other losers, it's all bullshit. It's all just politician talk, right? Like, look at the Democrats now. They're like, unity, unity, unity. And then they're like, I'm actually going to have, on MSNBC, they call for drone strikes on Trump supporters, domestic terrorists, right? AOC, crazy ass little hoe, has her blacklist she's getting going for Trump supporters. Those are the same people gaslighting you. They're like, we want unity. They don't want unity. They want conformity. They want control, and they want money. It's been the same shit for 20 fucking years in the Manosphere. These fucking losers with their fake preaches for fucking unity. No. Who in the world, name one man in the fucking planet who is alive today who has done more to unite and build the Manosphere than me? Name anybody. Anybody. Anybody in the chat watching, anybody watching this later in the comments, anybody live in the show. I don't know fucking anybody who's done more than I have to build this community and unite it and actually connect the leaders together and the men over and over and over and over again. In America, in Europe, in Australia, and on the internet, year round, every fucking day by the millions. Me. And I get stabbed in the fucking back for it and shit on in public all day fucking long. You know why? Because I love this community. I fucking grew up in it. 17 years old, 2005, I found this community. It has built my life into what it is today, and I'm very proud of it. And this community has given it to me, and I've given back to it over and over and over again. And I will fight to the fucking death for it. And these fucking frauds and these fat fuck losers that lie in public and defame and distort bullshit endlessly. The shit we saw yesterday was some of the worst I had ever seen in my life. Disgusting, despicable, fucking horrible. Fraudulent BS, man.
I want to go to Gonzo. Gonzo is we'll call him new to the Manosphere. Is the newest, probably, guy that's on this panel that has consumed Manosphere content. What do you think of this? What's your thought process? Then we're going to go to Man.